Hi, it's me. This video will show you how to make this flower card using a template that I created and is linked down below. The white backing is there because this was intended for an explosion box, but this card can be used with or without it. In this video, I will review how to use the score and dashed files and of course assembly. Let's get started. How to use the scored file. To demonstrate, I will be using Cricut Design Space. Use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can drag the file or browse for it. I am going to drag the file. The file is called flowerfold_.svg. A preview image will appear. Go ahead and click Continue. Another preview image will appear. Go ahead and click Upload. When the image loads, everything will be grouped together. While it's grouped together, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, resize it to 8.774 inches wide by 4.904 inches in height. Let's go ahead and take some time to do that right now. To confirm you have the right sizing, open the group and click the yellow square. The size of the square will be 3.25 by 3.25. Let's ungroup and review all of the pieces. These pink pieces are decoration. The square is the backing for an explosion box. The flower piece is the base card. Open up the base card group and you will see these funky lines. Click that layer, then change the operation to score. Click the group header, then click Attach. The machine will now cut and score these together. We're all done. Click Make and follow the instructions on screen. How to use the dashed file. To demonstrate, I will be using Cricut Design Space. Use a software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can drag the file or browse for it. I am going to drag the file. The file is called flowerfold_dashed. A preview image will appear. Go ahead and click Continue and then Upload. When the image loads, everything will be grouped together. While it's grouped together, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, resize it to 8.661 inches wide by 4.904 inches in height. To confirm you have the right sizing, open the group and click the yellow square. The size of the square will be 3.25 by 3.25. Let's ungroup and review all the pieces. The square is the backing for an explosion box. These pink pieces are decoration. The flower piece is the base card with dashed lines instead of score lines. This file is ready to cut. Click Make and follow the instructions. Card assembly. Let's review the pieces, starting with the pieces of decor on the left. This is the backing, this is the card. Let's get started with the main card. I use the score line file because the dash lines will wear and tear more quickly. The camera doesn't quite pick it up, but these are the score lines that I'm pointing to. To help with these score lines, I will be using the scraping tool. Start by folding the lines that span these two petals. If needed, use a tool to help press down the crease. Now rotate the card, then fold and press the next line. Work your way around the card until they have all been folded. You will know you've hit the end because when you rotate, it will already be done, like that. Now we are going to move on to the creases between each petal. They are located right here and here and here. We are going to use the scraper tool to help us push these creases out ever so slightly. Work your way around the flower until all those creases are pushed out. At this point, you don't have to push so hard. We just need to get that crease started. Now we are going to push those creases out further while pushing the side of the petals in. It kind of looks like a shark fin. Be sure to press that crease down well. Work your way all the way around until you've done the final petal. Now we are going to gather these fins and push them all towards the center, just like this. Pushing towards the center. Once you are here, lay all the fins down to the right. Then reinforce the creases so that it will train the paper to fold this way. Find the side that will face out, then open the card and flip it over. All the pink pieces will be glued on the right side of the petal. Before gluing, make sure you have the pieces facing the right way. It will help ensure that everything lines up just right. I'm trying to avoid gluing it down backwards because it's easy to do with this particular shape. After that piece is glued down, turn the card and repeat the process. Go all the way around until the last piece is done. Ta-da! Flip the card over, then glue this piece right here. There's glue there, I promise. Now get the little triangle pieces and glue it into the little triangle areas, just like this. Ta-da! The card is done and can be given like this, or you can put it in an explosion box. For the explosion box, you can glue it to this backing as a nice little frame. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Take care and have a great day. Bye.